You might be wondering, why do we need to draw charts in Python if you can create much better looking charts in Excel or Tableau or Power BI or RapidMiner or any number of other BI and visualization tools that exist? The charts in Tableau and Power BI look much nicer and they're a lot easier to make than writing code to draw a very simple looking line chart or a bar chart. So, if you're asking that question, it's a very good question to ask. And the answer is that in Tableau or Excel or Power BI, we have to draw one chart at a time. It's a very nice looking chart, but it's still one chart at a time. In some heavy duty applications, one may be required to draw hundreds or thousands of charts. So if you were to draw hundreds of thousands or tens of thousands of charts one by one in Excel, it will be extremely cumbersome and time consuming. But in Python or any other programming language, you can write some code to draw hundreds and thousands or tens of thousands of charts in one go. So just a few lines of code, and you can create lots and lots of charts very quickly. So that's the main reason. As far as making them good looking, there's a lot more coding that you can do in Python to format the charts the way you want. I've only shown you very small examples of how to format a chart, but there's a lot you can do. So anyway, the main advantage is that for some heavy duty applications where you need high volume, that's where a programming language really helps.